Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ever wish you could use your comfortable PlayStation 4 controller for a better gaming experience on your Nintendo Switch? Well, you absolutely can, even in 2025. Many players prefer the familiar feel and responsiveness of the DualShock 4, especially for certain game genres. Imagine having that familiar layout for your handheld adventures or those intense competitive matches. It truly opens up a world of possibilities for your gaming comfort. To make this happen, you will need a special piece of hardware, a third-party USB wireless adapter. Brands like 8BitDo and Mayflash make excellent options, readily available online. This small device acts as a bridge, allowing your Switch to communicate with the PlayStation 4 controller. When choosing, just make sure the adapter specifically mentions Switch compatibility and supports Bluetooth connectivity. It's the core component of this entire setup. Now, let's get that adapter connected. If you're playing docked, simply plug your wireless adapter into any available USB port on your Nintendo Switch dock. It's straightforward and slots right in. For handheld mode, you will need a small USB-C to USB adapter to connect the wireless adapter directly to your Switch's USB-C port. Once plugged in, ensure your Switch is powered on. You're almost ready for the next step. With the adapter in place, it is time to pair your PlayStation 4 controller. First, put your DualShock 4 into pairing mode. Simply hold down both the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes rapidly. Next, activate the pairing mode on your USB adapter. This usually involves pressing a small button on the adapter itself. Give it a moment to connect. Once the controller's light bar turns solid, you are successfully paired and ready to game. Once paired, test your connection immediately. Use your PlayStation 4 controller to navigate the Switch home screen, confirm button presses, and try launching a game. If it doesn't seem to work, do not worry. First, try restarting your Switch and the adapter, then attempt the pairing process again. Also, ensure both your PS4 controller and the wireless adapter have their latest firmware updates installed. Checking their respective websites can often help. Enjoy your new gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.